Welcome back to Arena Auto, your home for the latest and most exciting reviews in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most versatile and rugged camper vans in the market, the all-new 2025 Suzuki 4x4 luxury camper van. This isn't just a van, it's your home on wheels, your off-road partner, your long drive comfort zone, and above all, your adventure-ready companion. If you're someone who craves freedom, nature, and road trips without compromising on comfort, then this van might just be your next obsession. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold, muscular stance of the 2025 Suzuki 4x4 camper van. Designed with an aggressive front grille, elevated ground clearance, and robust wheel arches, this van screams power and capability. The LED headlamps are sharply designed, paired with a daytime running light setup that gives it a futuristic look. The matte black accents, roof rails, and 17-inch alloy wheels create a perfect fusion of style and utility. Whether it's city roads or gravel paths, this van is clearly built for both. Let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Suzuki 4x4 camper van comes with a reliable 2.0-liter turbocharged engine mated with an advanced four-wheel drive system. This combination offers excellent torque delivery, superior traction, and a smooth drive even on the harshest terrains. Whether you're climbing steep hills, driving through snowy paths, or navigating muddy trails, this machine won't let you down. Its off-road suspension setup, skid plates, and hill descent control enhance its all-terrain capability without making you feel the bumps inside. Now stepping into the interior, and this is where things get really exciting. The cabin is nothing short of a luxury suite. High-quality leather upholstery, soft-touch materials on the dashboard, and ambient lighting throughout create an atmosphere of sophistication. The driving position is ergonomic, giving you a commanding view of the road. The infotainment system features a 12-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, navigation, and integrated camper van control functions. Moving to the rear, the camper setup is truly a highlight. Suzuki has gone the extra mile to make this a fully functional mobile home. You get a fully foldable double bed, ample underbed storage, collapsible dining table, induction cooking top, mini fridge, and even a built-in sink with water tank. The smart layout ensures that nothing feels cramped. The cabinetry is finished in wood grain texture, giving it a premium feel while keeping things lightweight and travel-ready. One of the standout features is the climate control system dedicated for the living space. Whether you're in a snowy region or a sunny desert, the camper ensures optimal temperature inside. There's a pop-up roof option as well, which opens up more headroom and sleeping space. With solar panels integrated on the roof, you can charge your essentials without being dependent on external power. The 2025 model also introduces smart IoT-based connectivity, letting you control lights, fans, and even security systems using your smartphone. Passenger comfort is top-notch. There's ample legroom, headroom, and smart storage pockets throughout the cabin. Rear passengers have access to entertainment screens, reading lights, USB ports, and cup holders. The van can comfortably seat 5 adults and still offer decent cargo space at the back. Rear sliding doors make entry and exit super convenient, especially in tight camping spots. In terms of safety, Suzuki has packed this camper van with modern features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and even a 360-degree camera system for parking in tricky campsites or narrow roads. Another impressive addition is the all-terrain tire monitoring system, which provides real-time feedback on tire pressure and grip level. The adaptive suspension adjusts according to the surface, be it sand, snow, or rocks. This not only improves driving confidence but also ensures your ride remains stable and smooth regardless of where you're headed. Fuel efficiency is pretty commendable for a vehicle in this segment. Suzuki claims a combined fuel economy of around 28 mpg, thanks to their mild hybrid technology and improved aerodynamics. That makes long drives less of a burden on your pocket and more of an experience to look forward to. As for customization, Suzuki offers several packages including the Overland Adventure Pack, which includes roof tents, all-weather mats, tow hooks, extra water tanks, and a rear-mounted cycle rack. There's also the Urban Explorer Pack for those who prefer city-based van life with features like premium sound systems, luxury bedding, and additional insulation for noise and temperature. So, is the 2025 Suzuki 4x4 luxury camper van worth it? If you're looking for a vehicle that gives you independence, exploration, comfort, and capability all in one, then absolutely yes. This isn't just a camper van, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, or full-time van life, this van checks all the boxes. Suzuki has truly built something that connects with today's adventurous spirit, blending practicality with luxury in a way we rarely see at this price point. Before we wrap up, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 Suzuki camper van starts around $42,000 and goes up depending on the trim level and customization. Given the features, build quality, and off-road capabilities, it's a strong contender in the 4x4 camper market. And with Suzuki's reputation for reliability, low maintenance costs, and widespread service network, you're looking at a long-term investment in travel freedom. That's it for today's in-depth review of the 2025 Suzuki 4x4 luxury camper van. Let us know in the comments, would you choose this van for your next road trip or van life adventure? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Arena Auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one with another exciting review. Safe travels and happy camping.